In this video, we're going to be talking about why functional medicine is the fastest growing niche and perhaps one of the smartest niches that practitioners can add into their practices. So let's start with just the numbers alone. When we look at the current statistics show that around 52% of the population right now is struggling with at least one chronic health issue. So that means 174 million people are dealing with things like fatigue, thyroid issues, digestive issues, hormone imbalances, depression, anxiety, autoimmune issues, weight loss resistance, and other different types of metabolic dysfunction. And they are looking for answers, and they have unfortunately been unable to find them. That is why the numbers continue to grow. And so conventional approaches are at a loss. They don't know how to solve these problems. They're not providing real, lasting solutions for these people. Trust in most of these conventional approaches has waned over the past few years, especially since COVID. We have seen a massive shift in overall public trust in conventional approaches to chronic health issues. And so people are desperately seeking answers. There has never, and I mean never, been a better time to add functional medicine into your practice. So I want you to take just a quick mental inventory and think for a minute. What percentage of your existing patients right now, if you were to guess, are currently struggling with these types of issues? Having worked with literally thousands of practitioners and personally coached over 300 practices across the country, we can confidently say that most practitioners are reporting to us at least 50%, if not more, like 60, 70% of their patients who are coming in. And this shouldn't be a mystery or a surprise either, right? It makes sense. If a patient is presenting to you with a musculoskeletal complaint, let's say neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain, knee pain, some type of pain issue, don't you think that that would be a significant contributing factor, if not a primary driving factor behind a lot of today's most common chronic health issues? Of course it is, because that is one of the areas that oftentimes is neglected by a lot of these conventional approaches. See, what we help practitioners understand is that when it comes to these chronic health issues, they all, to one degree or another, are driven by some form of stress, whether that's physical stress from things like injuries, or whether it's mental or emotional stress, or whether it's chemical stress. Ultimately, some type of stressor or stressors is what are driving these types of chronic health issues. And until we address those stressors in the right way, in a complete way, patients are going to continue to struggle, and they're going to continue to look for these types of answers that they're not getting from the conventional approaches. Because again, conventional approaches have always taken the strategy of a pill for every ill. And unfortunately, what we're seeing with most conventional functional medicine approaches out there is they have shifted over to a supplement for every symptom. And so they've replaced pharmaceuticals with nutraceuticals and or supplements. And while we are certainly not opposed to supplements, and while supplements can be a very powerful tool, that's only one piece of a greater, bigger puzzle. And so with Simplified Functional Medicine, we provide a complete approach. Now, at this point in time, you might be thinking, okay, this is great. I run these current niches in my program. I recognize that functional medicine could serve as a powerful adjunct to those, could help me get better clinical results, could be a good complement to everything else that I'm doing. But how do I do this in a way that doesn't disrupt, that doesn't cannibalize these existing service lines, and that doesn't create more headaches and logistical challenges for me and or my team? And so these are all the right questions, and these are all common concerns that we get from practitioners. And this is precisely why we developed Simplified Functional Medicine, is because functional medicine is a powerful niche. It is an incredible way to enhance clinical outcomes and add more revenue into your practice, increasing overall case values. But you definitely don't want to do it in such a way where it creates more challenges and headaches for you and your practice and your team. And so Simplified Functional Medicine has literally solved all of these problems. And if you want to learn how we've done that, you can watch our on-demand training, or you can schedule a free discovery call with one of our team members. And what we'll do is we'll show you exactly how to be able to add this into your practice the right way, in such a way that you can actually enhance the overall outcomes that you're getting for your patients without disrupting your current practice. So functional medicine is indeed a powerful niche. It is the fastest growing niche right now because the magnitude of the problem is so massive, and people are looking for answers. They need you. We need your help as well. So If you want to find out more, jump on a free discovery call, check out our on-demand training, and we look forward to sharing these answers with you as to how we have helped solve a lot of these common problems with functional medicine to be able to help more patients in your community and beyond.